I hope you guys had a Merry Christmas and a great week with friends and family, and I hope you're having a restful time getting ready for the new year. I did not mean to leave you guys hanging so long with all the traveling and family stuff. The videos kind of stalled. I had recorded everything, I just didn't get to the editing and posting. So here we are. I am finishing up the sourdough ornaments with some gold leaf foil, bronze leaf foil, and silver leaf foil. And I'm going to give each one of these to my nephews. And they also helped me later on in the video decorate their own sourdough ornaments. I was going to turn them into a banner or garland, but it was way more fun to have them color on them and make some for their trees. I also finished up a few things for work and got some business cards printed and ready to go for the Andes on River Road event that you saw on the last Vlogmas. So everything's kind of mixed matched, but it works out. I hope you guys are inspired and create your own Christmas ornaments this holiday season. And I still have a few more videos to finish up and upload. The content is ready to go. I just need to get it together. So I appreciate you guys following along and watching, and I'll see you in the video. Okay, so I print my own business cards. I use the Avery 28,371, I guess 28,371. And they're matte white, so I feed them in, print all the front side, and then flip them over, feed them in again, print all the back side, and then they're perforated, so you can tear them along the perforations. Yeah, it's the cheapest way I found. to order business cards, make my own. When things change, I can update it. So let's do that.
Yours? Yeah. Do you want a different color on it? It's so pretty. Bright pink. I think yellow would look good with it. Oh, nice. I like your tree branches. Okay, thank you. The brown one? Brown. Is it black?
Brown, babe.
This one's brown. Brown bear, you have a brown marker there. Marker donker. Oh, what happened? Did your lid fall? Good color. So pretty.
Making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. 'Cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da. Making our Christmas memories. I've been wrapping presents for you. I've been hanging marbles in the tree. And I've lit my house with Christmas lights. So you should come back home to me. And when we wake up in the morning, I'm gonna play those carols that you love. We'll be singing all the melodies until the sun comes up. These are the good times with you.